So let's move on to the second classification, which is by the syntactic role. And we can start with the predicative adverbs, which are adverbs that act as predicates so they can form clauses by themselves. And let's have a look at a few examples. El este. El este. Is that him? And the first answer could be firește. Firește. Of course. Poate. Poate. Maybe. Pe semne. Pe semne. Pe semne. Pe semne. It seems like. It might be him. It seems like. And fourth answer could be desigur. 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 Certainly. Well, as you can see, all these answers are clauses, and they're formed solely by these predicative adverbs. And from this standpoint, I think it's quite easy to grasp how these predicative adverbs work in practice. So it's just one word, and that's it. Finally, the relative adverbs are those adverbs that link clauses. So it's quite easy to understand how they work, where they are in the sentence, and we can have a few examples. Știu unde stai. Știu unde stai. Unde. Unde means where. So the sentence is I know where you live, and the first clause is I know. Where is the relative adverb, and you live is the second clause in this sentence. Let's move on to the second example. Știm când minți. Știm când minți. Când means when, and the first clause is știm, we know. Când. Când is when, and minți is the second clause, you lie. Știm când minți. We know when you lie. And third example. Știi cum gândesc. Știi cum gândesc. You know how I think. So the first clause is știi, you know. The relative adverb is cum, how. And the second clause is gândesc, I think. Știi cum gândesc. You know how I think. And some other common adverbs are oriunde, 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 wherever, oricând, 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 whenever, and oricum, 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 which means however. Okay, so here are the degrees of comparison. Well, comparing the adverbs is just like comparing the adjectives. It's the same logic. And let's have this adverb slowly, which in Romanian is încet. Încet. And the positive degree is obviously încet. And the comparative of superiority is mai încet. mai încet, more slowly. The comparative of equality is la fel de încet, la fel de încet, as slowly as. The comparative of inferiority is mai puțin încet, mai puțin încet, less slowly. The superlative, the relative superlative is cel mai încet, cel mai încet, the most slowly. And here there's a certain comparison implied. And the absolute superlative, foarte încet, foarte încet, foarte încet, very slowly.